Dolphins are very diverse. The closest relative of the dolphin is, oddly enough, the hippopotamus. Approximately 40 million years ago, the evolutionary development of dolphins and hippos diverged, but some kinship remains. Even pertaining to the family of dolphin killer whales are closer to hippos than to whales. It is also interesting that dolphins are closer to man than to any other inhabitant of the seas. Cognitive abilities of dolphins are so high that some scientists have long proposed to define them as non-human individuals. They consider the basis for this similar brain structure and social order. In the legendary book, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, dolphins are given the second line for intelligence. The first is given to mice, and humans only the third. Dolphins do not have the practice of courting a female. When a male chooses one or another female, he simply starts starving her until she gives in. There is an assumption that a human has taken the dominant position not so much due to his intelligence, but due to his brush. If dolphins had brushes, then according to some scientists, the dominance would belong to them, and not to humans. In India, cetaceans and dolphins are officially considered to be the same personalities as humans and have the right to welfare, freedom and life. Dolphins are among those few mammals that mate not only for the sake of reproduction, but also for pleasure. Moreover, not only the males get pleasure, but also the females, which is observed only in pigs and primates. Interestingly, according to observations, some females are engaged in real prostitution. If mankind destroys itself, dolphins will be at the top of evolution. Dolphins have the ability to very quickly heal the wounds they receive. For example, in collisions with sharks. In the United States, in the state of Louisiana, in Lake Calcasieu lives a pink dolphin. Such an unusual color can be explained by the fact that he is an albino. One subspecies of dolphin is born blind, the Indian subspecies of the Ghana River dolphin. Living in Asia, he lives in the Ganges River and has a very sophisticated echolocation system. Dolphins repeatedly rescued the drowning and shipwrecked people. Sometimes they even drove sharks away from them. It is believed that dolphins recognize people underwater because of their sonora, with which they identify human skeletal structure. In the world there is an organization called Anti-Dolphin. The members of this organization believe that dolphins are a threat to humans and must be destroyed. When dolphins from Fushun Zoo, China, swallowed plastic objects, all attempts to extract them ended in failure. Then the trainers turned to Bao Sishan, who is the tallest man on earth, for help. Using his long arms, each over a meter long, Bao retrieved the objects and saved the lives of both animals. Sometimes dolphins ride on the backs of whales. If a dolphin does not get sexual satisfaction, it begins to kill. Since dolphins are mammals, they have lungs and breathe about the same as terrestrial animals. Therefore, they can easily drown. In 2013, a dolphin was discovered that was accepted into the sperm whale family, known for the television series Flipper. The dolphin, who played the main role, committed suicide simply by stopping breathing. In the Soviet Navy at one time, there was a program of dolphin sabotage training. They were trained to attach mines to the sides of ships and sometimes even dropped into the right area with parachutes. According to the participants of those experiments, they were not justified at all, as dolphins easily distinguished the training task from the combat one, which threatened them with death, and did not follow the orders. The smallest and rarest subspecies of dolphins is considered Maui dolphin. Their population is less than 60 individuals. Dolphins do not have a mechanism for automatic breathing. Therefore, in order not to stop breathing, they must always be awake. Therefore, when they sleep, one hemisphere of their brain rests, while the other controls the process of breathing. In Brazil, in the municipality of Laguna from the middle of the 19th century, dolphins drive fish into nets for fishermen. Scientists have found that with the help of whistles, dolphins give each other names. When in 2008 a group of rescuers wanted to carry a sperm whale through the narrow strait, all attempts ended in failure. A dolphin named Moko did the job. The book Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy uses dolphins as a good example of how vague the criteria for intelligence are.